Simple Assessment, a step-by-step guide. If HM Revenue and Customs sends you a Simple Assessment notice, it's because you owe income tax that can't be taken from your income automatically, or you owe them £3,000 or more. Your PA302 Simple Assessment Notice sets out exactly what you need to do. The notice tells you how much tax you owe and why, when you need to pay it by, how to pay it, and what to do if you disagree with the assessment. If the date on your Simple Assessment Notice is before the 31st of October, you must pay what you owe by the 31st of January the following year. If the date on the notice is on or after the 31st of October, you must pay what you owe within 3 months. You can get help if you can't pay your tax bill on time. Just search Difficulty Paying HMRC on gov.uk. You can pay your Simple Assessment online or through the HMRC app, by bank transfer or by cheque. If you don't agree with HMRC's Simple Assessment, you'll have 60 days to query it. You can do this by calling HMRC on 0300 200 3300 or writing to PAYE and Self-Assessment HMRC BX9 1AS. HMRC will then look at your assessment again and decide if it should be amended, withdrawn or left unchanged. They'll write to you to explain the decision. You shouldn't get the Simple Assessment letter if you're registered for self-assessment. If you do, you need to call HMRC on 0300 200 3300 to have the Simple Assessment withdrawn. If you owe tax from bank or building society interest, you may receive 2 Simple Assessment letters in the same tax year. If this happens, the second letter will show the total tax you owe for the year, including the amount from your first letter, even if you've paid it. So, to work out what you owe, you should deduct anything you've already paid from the amount in the second letter. The state pension is a taxable source of income, but unlike a private pension, tax is not deducted at source. We receive information about your state pensions directly from the Department for Work and Pensions. There is no need to contact us to check if you have tax to pay. If you owe tax on your state pension that can't be collected automatically, we will issue a Simple Assessment Notice. There's a useful tool on gov.uk that can help you check if you have to pay tax on your state pension.